How's it going today, everybody? I just wanted to say today is a great day. I picked up a really nice tool haul off Facebook Marketplace. Mostly, well, it's all Snap-on. Most of it's vintage. Start out with this stubby 3/8 ratchet, FK720A, Kenosha, Wisconsin. I think it's a 20 tooth. Needs to be oiled up, and it's got a owner's mark on it, which I dislike, but it's a great deal. Really great shape for the age. And I got some 1/4 inch sockets. These appear to be newer. I've already cleaned these up. Yeah, I think it has 9/16 to 3/16. Yeah, okay. Then I got some swivel sockets. I don't know if this came with this many sockets or it's missing some, but looks like a couple of them have been warranted. I've already cleaned these up. Again, they're standard, unfortunately. Let's see, 3/4, 11/16, 5/8, 9/16, a half, and 7/16. Didn't have any of these. I got some 1/4 inch, but these are my first Snap-on sockets, ironically. Alright, last but not least, I have not cleaned these yet. These seem like the oldest ones. These are 3/8 standard. Looks like maybe a couple of them's been warranted as well. It's all the way from 1 inch down to quarter inch. It appears to be missing, I guess, a 5/16 or something like that. Unfortunately, got some owner markings on them, but there's no rust on none of these sockets. And out of all of this, bet you can't guess what I paid. Well, $110 for this. Ratchet was $10. These were $50, $25. And drove over an hour just to get them. Really happy about it. So, hope you enjoyed this and subscribe.